Well, it's something like a Monday or maybe like a Tuesday. Really? I don't even know. Yeah, I went and tried to tell her that I love her, and she told me you can find your way to the friend zone. It's whatever. I don't even care anymore. I just really want to be alone. My best friend keep on blowing up my phone trying to ask me if I'm good, man. What do you think? I mean, really, if I'm trying to be real, then I already know what it is. The best thing you could ever want to wish for at the best time of the year. National Friends Day. I'm as green as I wanna be, cruising through the late night shifts on a jet ski, blowing smoke out my head. It's fine, I don't even know the time, I don't really know the feel. She don't even know what's up, told her tell me how you really feel, but she don't really give a damn. Still told me take her hand, why we even turning up? You remember what the day is? Yeah, it's National Friends Day. National FRIENDS. National Friends Day. Is it really who we are? Is it really who I am? Is it really who you are? Is it really about the green squares, dumb? I don't even wanna talk, I don't even wanna text. I just really want your best, something more but nothing less. All that stuck up from the chest, so I keep a vest on, trying to keep me in the zone. Man, I feel so home alone, so my heart is hella broken, but I swear I play it cool. Love the party, love the folks, just swear I'm looking like a fool. Well, whatever, I'ma do my own, yeah, yeah. Hey, swear I'm about to ghost, yeah, yeah. But I'm still here, cause
no, verga, para cachar.